My friends, today is 2nd May 2025. My friends, from 2nd May 2025 to 4th May 2025, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha has organized under 7 West Bengal state level chess championship for the purpose of selection at national level. My friends, this tournament is organized under the strong leadership of respected President of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha and second Grandmaster from India and first Grandmaster from West Bengal, respected Dibyendu Bodua sir.
আমরা just will have the very short opening ceremony. First of all, on behalf of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha and my academy, I welcome you all in the state under 7 open and girls chess championship, which is going to start just now. It will be for 3 days, 8 rounds. So we have with us Mr. Shivran Chaudhary, who is the Secretary of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha and international architect, and Mr. Devashish Burua, Vice President Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha and Chief Arbiter of this tournament. And along with them, we have 2 young guests. One is the youngest girl player, Ashmi Das, and the youngest boy participant, Anish Chandra. So, a big round of applause for both of them. And I wish all the best to all the participants. সবাইকে বলবো সবাই একটু ভালো করে খেলো, মন দিয়ে খেলো, আর জিত থাকবে, বাট আই হোপ দ্যাট ইউ অল উইল এনজয় অ্যান্ড টু অল দ্য প্যারেন্টস, নাও দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম উই আর অর্গানাইজিং দিস championship in our academy. So after this inauguration, you all are requested to meet the hall so that we can start the game as early as possible. The schedule is already there and we expect from your cooperation and support to make this event successful. There are some constant getting the sitting spaces in the
Please, parents, silence, please.
I hope that you will somehow manage the problem. With these viewers, I would request Ashmi Das to make the first move. Open. Very good. And one by from back side, make some move. Okay. Thank you all. Just please cooperate with us. All the branches and the parents will be requested.
My friends, this chess tournament takes place in Dhanuka Dhansari Dibyendu Bodua Chess Academy in Chakraberia Padmapukur on Sharad Bose Road in Kolkata in West Bengal of India. My friends, like every year, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha has arranged under 7 West Bengal state level chess tournament 2025. Later on in the year of 2025, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha will organize under 9, under 11, under 13, under 15, under 17 and under 19 at West Bengal state level 2025, one by another. My friends, this is the selection tournament for national level. Each and every year, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha gives deadline to every district of West Bengal to complete their district chess championship in their own district. Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha will start under 7, under 9, under 11, under 13, under 15, under 17 and under 19, one by another after completion of every district chess championship. From district chess championship of every district in West Bengal, top 2 boys and top 2 girls from each group will be selected to play at West Bengal state level, getting 50% concession on entry fees, and other players will play like others as usual by paying the full entry fees. My friends, as the day increases, as the time increases, the popularity of playing chess as perfect indoor game is increasing at alarming rate. This becomes possible as strong initiatives have been taken by first Grandmaster from West Bengal and second Grandmaster from India and our respected President of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha, respected Dibyendu Borua sir. Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha, the only apex chess body in West Bengal, is working hard for the maximum chess outreach and maximum chess awareness. Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha has spread the importance of playing chess door to door in West Bengal. The result is that parents are coming forward where their baby can learn chess. Parents are in search of good chess coaches and good chess academies where parents can involve their baby. My friends, the response on chess event is coming in such a way when we have found that 146 chess players have participated in the under 7 West Bengal state level chess tournament 2025, which has taken place in Dhanuka Dhansari Dibyendu Borua Chess Academy in Chakrabedia Padmapukur on Sharat Chandra Bose Road in Kolkata of West Bengal in India. My friends, we are extremely pleased to see that 146 chess players have participated this under 7 prestigious West Bengal state level chess tournament. My friends, we are extremely happy, and all the chess players under the age of 7, they are playing the chess very peacefully. My friends, they are playing the chess event at the age of below 7. They are quiet and calm, and see their body languages, see their attitudes, see their movements. I think They are the perfect chess players. My friends, this is the seating arrangement of parents at under 7 West Bengal State Level Chess Tournament 2025 organized by Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha in Dhanuka Dhansari Dibyendu Bodua Chess Academy in Chakrabedia Padmapukur on Sharad Bose Road in Kolkata of West Bengal in India. My friends, see the response level of parents who have come from different areas of West Bengal. My friends, I have made this video up to the second round of this tournament on today, dated 2nd May 2025. My friends, I have seen all the under 7 chess players are very optimistic and are very energetic. My friends, I wish all the chess players, I wish all the under 7 chess players all the best. My friends, thank you.